The 2021 China-Germany Automobile Conference concluded on Wednesday in the northeastern city of Changchun, the capital of Jilin Province. Themed Innovation Leader, Green Future, the three-day event brought together automakers from Germany and Austria. Participants said they want to seize cooperation opportunities with China as it has a vast automobile market.
This is the reason we are here, and we're going to introduce some new technologies, new systems, and we really hope we can get some new contacts and contacts to the relevant personnel, especially from FAW, to get to discuss about how we can cooperate. So this is very important.
Cooperation between China, Germany, and Austria in the automotive field has a long history. According to participants, against the backdrop of a shrinking global market due to the COVID-19 pandemic, China, Germany, and Austria have continued to work together and achieve good results in maintaining the stability of the global supply chain and promoting economic recovery.
德国的公司它也需要这个本地化当中寻找伙伴。中国的公司呢，在像控制算法呀这样的一些层面当中呢，也需要和他们进行这个紧密的这个合作所以这当中我觉得合作机会是非常大的。
Actually, the relationship is always very important, and since I'm here in China, I see a very close relationship with Austria, also with the Austrian government, with China, and this helps a lot for business partnership.